Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting topic on the agenda, the comprehensive review of Oppo Reno 11. As someone who loves delving into the depths of the tech world, I'm here to provide you with an in-depth look at what this new phone has to offer. Let's dive right in. Oppo Reno 11 makes a statement when it comes to design. Adorned with fine details and modern curves, this phone truly gives you a sense of luxury from the moment you pick it up. Especially the available color options elevate the design to another level. Now let's take a closer look at this elegance. The screen is the heart of a phone's user experience, and Oppo Reno 11 is ambitious in this regard. With its large display and high resolution, this phone enhances the joy of watching videos and playing games with HDR support and a high refresh rate. Now let's take a look at the processor that powers the phone. Oppo Reno 11 comes with a processor that promises fast, smooth, and seamless performance for your daily use and gaming experiences. It's crucial to pay attention to these details for a reliable performance. Now on to one of the most prominent features of Oppo Reno 11, the cameras. Equipped with various shooting modes, night mode, and wide-angle lenses, this phone takes your photo and video shooting capabilities to the next level. For a phone to be user-friendly, it needs a durable battery. Oppo Reno 11 promises to meet your daily usage comfortably with its robust battery capacity. Moreover, the fast charging feature allows you to overcome energy issues quickly. Oppo Reno 11 comes with Oppo's customized ColorOS. The version provides a user-friendly interface and offers numerous customization options. Additionally, standout features like additional features enrich the user experience. In summary, Oppo Reno 11 stands out with its elegant design, powerful performance, and impressive camera features. However, like any phone, it has some advantages and disadvantages depending on user preferences. What are your thoughts? Don't forget to share your opinions with me in the comments. I hope this review video provides you with valuable insights. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care.